Hello radiant folks, welcome to another enlightening video from VitalGlow Life. Today we're delving into an engaging topic, Alzheimer's diet and nutrition. Alzheimer's disease, a form of dementia, is a progressive disorder that affects the brain, impairing memory and cognitive function. But did you know that what we eat can have a significant influence on this disease's progression or even its management? Indeed, diet and nutrition are powerful tools in our arsenal against Alzheimer's. The foods we consume can either be our greatest allies or our worst enemies. They can fuel our bodies, nourish our brains, and even slow the progression of Alzheimer's. Or, on the flip side, they can accelerate cognitive decline and exacerbate symptoms. In the next few minutes, we'll explore the fascinating connection between diet, nutrition, and Alzheimer's disease. We'll discuss the foods that are beneficial and those that we should avoid. So, buckle up as we navigate through the world of foods that can make a difference in Alzheimer's. As we embark on our dietary journey, we first explore foods that are beneficial in managing Alzheimer's. The first stop on our journey is fatty fish. Bursting with omega-3 fatty acids, these fish, including salmon, trout, and sardines, are known to be a primary building block for the brain. They aid in maintaining brain health and slowing cognitive decline. Next, we find ourselves amidst a field of berries. Berries, especially blueberries, are rich in antioxidants, which delay brain aging and improve memory. These delightful fruits are not only a treat to your taste buds, but also a boon to your brain. We then venture into the exotic lands of turmeric. This golden spice is a powerhouse of curcumin, which crosses the blood-brain barrier and has been shown to lead to various improvements in the pathological process of Alzheimer's disease. Broccoli, often the star of your salad, is loaded with antioxidants and vitamin K. These nutrients are believed to support brain health and protect the brain against damage. Next up are pumpkin seeds. Packed with a rich source of antioxidants and a high amount of magnesium, iron, and copper, pumpkin seeds are known to enhance brain function. Our journey wouldn't be complete without a visit to the world of dark chocolate. Dark chocolate and cocoa powder are packed with a few brain-boosting compounds, including flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. Oranges, the bright and juicy fruits, offer a powerful punch of vitamin C, a key factor in preventing mental decline. Last but not least, we have green tea. Known for its multiple health benefits, green tea improves brain function and has bioactive compounds that can protect the brain from aging. Incorporating these foods into your diet can contribute to a healthier brain and potentially slow the progression of Alzheimer's. Just as there are foods that nourish our brains, there are those that may not be as beneficial. Let's uncover them now. When it comes to managing Alzheimer's, it's important to understand that certain foods may contribute to the progression of the disease. Among these are foods high in sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed foods. The first on our list is sugar. A diet high in sugar not only leads to weight gain and other health problems, but it also impacts brain health. Excessive sugar consumption can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress, both of which have been linked to Alzheimer's. Next, let's talk about unhealthy fats. You may have heard of trans fats and saturated fats. These are the types of fats you want to avoid. These fats increase levels of low-density lipoprotein or bad cholesterol in the body. High levels of LDL cholesterol can lead to the buildup of plaques in the arteries, which can affect blood flow to the brain, potentially contributing to Alzheimer's disease. Lastly, we have processed foods. These foods are often high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. Additionally, they often contain additives and preservatives that may not be good for our health. Many studies suggest that a diet high in processed foods can lead to cognitive decline, which is a key feature of Alzheimer's. It's also worth mentioning that alcohol, especially in large amounts, can have adverse effects on brain health. While moderate consumption might not be harmful, excessive drinking can lead to a loss of brain volume and cognitive decline over time. So, what can we do? The key is to be mindful of what we eat. Opt for a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit the intake of sugar, unhealthy fats, and processed foods. And of course, moderation is key when it comes to alcohol. Remember, a healthy diet is just one piece of the puzzle. It's also important to stay physically active, get enough sleep, and maintain a positive mindset. Being mindful of these foods and limiting their intake can be a step towards managing Alzheimer's more effectively. As we conclude our journey through the realm of Alzheimer's diet and nutrition, remember, it's not just about what you eat, but also about maintaining a balanced and healthy lifestyle. Today, we've navigated the sea of information about the dietary needs and choices for those dealing with Alzheimer's. We've learned that certain foods rich in antioxidants, omega-3 fatty acids, and vitamin E, like berries, fish, and nuts, can be beneficial. We've also discovered that it's important to avoid foods high in cholesterol, saturated fats, and sugars. But remember, these choices are not just for those with Alzheimer's. They are healthy choices for anyone looking to maintain a robust and vibrant lifestyle. The importance of a balanced diet and regular exercise for managing Alzheimer's cannot be overstated. It's about creating a lifestyle that supports your overall health and well-being. It's about making choices that nourish your body and your brain. It's about embracing habits that not only help manage Alzheimer's, but also enhance the quality of your life. And let's not forget, while diet and exercise play a vital role, they are part of a larger picture. Regular checkups, staying mentally active, and a positive outlook are equally important. So make sure to incorporate these aspects into your daily routine. The road to managing Alzheimer's is not a sprint, but a marathon. It requires commitment, patience, and self-care. And remember, you are not alone in this journey. Reach out to support groups, healthcare professionals, and loved ones. They can provide the encouragement, guidance, and companionship you may need. We hope this guide has been a beacon of light, illuminating the path towards a healthier, happier life. Knowledge is power, and with this newfound wisdom, you are better equipped to face the challenges that Alzheimer's may bring. If you found this video informative and helpful, kindly hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to VitalGlow Life for more such enlightening content. Check the description box below for products and supplements related to Alzheimer's. Stay healthy, stay radiant.